morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, very briefly, the only thing I really want to lay out here about the daily chart is how effectively, we're in a 20-handle trading range. You can even widen that out a little bit. But, we're really on a shelf now for the holidays. I can tighten this up, and you can see, we spent 2 days trying to get over the top of the pre-FOMC price, and we're unable to do so. The bears yesterday pressed their advantage, took us down as low as 51.5. What we've seen this morning is a move up to 61. You've seen the 9-day simple moving average get involved. So right now, the weekly pivot sits at 22.5660. We spent more time below it yesterday than we've spent in a long time. By the end of the day, though, the dip buyers showed up at 51.5, and they went ahead and closed it above weekly pivot. So you had your couple days trying to get through the top of the range. This is an hourly chart. You had a breakdown. You had daily pivot go resistance, and then a push down to S2 off of that. Dip buyers defended here, and basically, the bears didn't lay down, but they didn't really defend either, and we end up closing above the weekly pivot, which is really not what it really wasn't what the bears expected when you consider all the work they put in over the course of the day. Globex has spent effectively the entire session up above weekly pivot, and as I'm taping this, we have just touched it, and so we're testing the purple dotted line here is the daily pivot. That comes in, right around I believe it's 56.83 today, and then you've got 56.60 on the weekly. So daily and weekly are within a tick of each other, which is good. You've got your natural bull bear line for the day, and the bulls are going to want to defend that. The bears are going to want to convert it. But the way the market's been with this choppy, kind of shelf range trade, we're just, the most likely outcome is we don't really go anywhere today again. Most of the closes this week have been right around 58. They run them up a little bit, they run them down, and they bring it back into the middle. Because, this is late December. Christmas is here. Markets are closed Monday, and then we're into the new year, which is good news for traders because January, in my experience, is outstanding trading months. January, February, March are fantastic. So we're really looking forward to those in the room. The key about now is get your plans together, get yourself together. What are you going to do? How are you going to trade it? What are you going to do differently in 2017 versus 2016? What are you going to do more of? And make those plans now so that when January comes, you can hit the ground running. You need to have a plan. Always need to have a plan. So we'll see what weekly pivot and daily pivot want to do today. Below you've got the 51.5 area to defend. Then you've got 47. And then you've got the reaction low from last week down at 43. Up top, they're going to have to deal now with 61. 61 to 62 is proving to be important. Resistance here and resistance here. Once you get above, you have to deal with 65 to 67, 68 area. If you can get above that, then you get the all-time high weighting. These more extended areas, though, seem, at least to me, like a bridge too far for the day before a big holiday weekend. Okay, that's all I've got. Everybody have a very, very Merry Christmas. Have a great weekend. The markets are closed on Monday, so keep that in mind. Happy holidays.
Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out our website, Princetontrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.